Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about gift cards, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can add a gift card into our Google Pay app as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with gift cards, basically what they are is people will give these to you as sometimes a gift, but also sometimes as rebates. So for example, this one I made an eyeglass purchase, and the company had something set up where if I purchased the eyeglasses from them, then this company would send me a $50 gift card or a reward card. So that's what this is. But a lot of times you can use these anywhere debit Visa is used, which is most places these days. Sometimes they're debit MasterCards, but can you add this into your Google Pay app as a payment method? That's what we're going to find out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Google Pay app. It's this white one with a colorful G next to it. It's called Google Pay. If you don't have the app already, check the video's description. I'll try to leave a referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, I went ahead and opened up my Google Pay app, and this is the home screen. So here on the home screen, you're going to see various notifications from Google. So for example, mine says Google Pay money transfers are always free. This one says that you get your money faster with Google Pay if you use a debit card, but we're not going to worry about that. If you want to add your gift card into your Google Pay app as a payment method, you want to look right here at the bottom line. It's this menu line. It says Home, Payment Methods, and Passes. There's 3 options. You want to click the middle one called Payment Methods. It looks like it has a little credit card above it. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next this screen pops up, and in this screen you can see the different payment methods that you already have set up with your GPay app. So for example, I have this MasterCard already here in my Google Pay as a payment method. But if you want to go ahead and try to add a gift card into the Google Pay app, what you want to do is scroll right here to the bottom again and click on this button. It's this blue one right here. It's called Add Payment Method. It has a little plus sign next to it. I'm going to go ahead and click there now. All right, next, Google Pay is asking for the 16-digit card number from my gift card. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that information off screen now. All right, I went ahead and entered in the full 16-digit card number for my Visa debit gift card. Next, Google Pay was asking for the expiration date and security code from this card, which I went ahead and entered. Next, it was asking me to verify the billing address for this card. So this is a gift card. I never actually registered it since it was mailed to me. So I went ahead and just put in my address that it was mailed to. So hopefully whoever issued this gift card just put my address and encoded it onto this card. So once you're done, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, and then you'll see this blue button called Save here in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and click there now, and hopefully this is added. All right, and just a few moments later, this screen pops back up on GPay. So it looks like, yes, you can add a gift card into your Google Pay app as a payment method. So as you can see, before it was just this MasterCard. Now the Visa is listed there, and I verified the last 4 digits on the Google Pay app with the plastic card that I have right here. If you're not able to add a gift card into your Google Pay app as a payment method, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it looks like it should not be an issue for you. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.